Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best drain cleaning equipment that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Drain Cleaning Equipment. Drain cleaning machines offer a more powerful alternative for homeowners and professional plumbers to clear out clogged drains than traditional snakes. Many homeowners opt to purchase a lightweight, auto-feeding drain cleaner like the Rigid K30 because it quickly pays for itself unclogging nasty debris from home sinks rather than calling in a plumber. Number 10. Simplehuman Toilet Plunger and Caddy. A unique magnetic collar secures the cover to the plunger's stainless steel rod so you can pick them up and carry them together without drips. Stainless steel rod durable. Main features: 5-year warranty, drip-free design, efficient plunging. Number 9. Vastar 5-pack Drain Snake Hair Drain Clog Remover. Vastar Hair Drain Clog Remover, great for kitchen, bathroom toilets and floor drains. Main features: 5-pack of plastic plumbing snake drain auger about 19.6 inch. Vastar Hair Drain Clog Remover, great for kitchen. Drain cleaning tool, more environmental. Number 8. Liquid-Plumr 670,040 Mini Sink and Drain Plunger Gray. The Liquid-Plumr Mini Sink and Drain Plunger is the perfect tool for unclogging sinks. Non-slip grip handle. Main features: compact design, clears clogs fast. Non-slip grip handle makes our plunger easy to use. Plunger diameter is 5 inches. Number 7. 5-in-1 Sink Snake Cleaner Drain Auger Hair Catcher. Suitable for kitchen sink, toilets, wash basin, bathtubs. Main features: unique combination. Multifunction, suitable for kitchen sink. Improved length, 40 inches, 24 inches, 20.1 inches. Number 6. Vastar 5-pack Drain Snake Hair Drain Clog Remover. Vastar Hair Drain Clog Remover, great for kitchen, bathroom toilets and floor drains. Main features: professional and multiple use to clear most of clogs. Easy storage and durable ABS drum housing. 100% satisfaction with 2-year for all repairs. Number 5. Omont Drain Clog Remover Tool. The stainless steel cleaner is about 24-inch length, 0.9-inch width, PP plus stainless steel materials. Main features: package including 6-pack Drain Hair Clog Remove. Drain Clog Remover tool is used PP material. Drain cleaner tool can be applied to many places widely. Number 4. Vastar 3-pack 23.6-inch Drain Snake Hair Drain Clog Remover. This drain cleaner is flexible, enabling it to clean hard-to-reach sink pipes. Main features: drain and hair removal cleaner hook. Quick and easy way to clear slow-moving or clogged drains. A loop on one end for easy operation. Number 3. FlexiSnake Drain Weasel Sink Snake. Sink snakes are a safe, affordable alternative to chemical drain cleaners. But some models are far from convenient. Jagged barbs catch on the drain and can even scratch your pipes. Main features: extra long design, world-class customer service, trusted quality. Number 2. FlexiSnake Drain Millipede Drain Clog Remover, Dependable, thin. It has a flexible steel core, allowing it to coil up like the original into a handy pocket size. Reusable design that is easy to keep clean. Main features: instantly remove clogs, world-class customer service, extra long design. Number 1. Vastar 3-pack 19.6-inch Drain Snake Hair Drain Clog Remover Cleaning Tool. This drain cleaner is flexible to clean hard-to-pipes. Main features: 3-pack of plastic plumbing snake drain auger. 19.6 flexible barb wand can easily grab. Soft enough to bend in many kinds of strainers and pipes. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.